Habang papalapit ang Kapaskuhan, ang Baguio City ay puno ng pananabik at paghahanda para sa inaabangang grand opening ng Baguio Enchanting Christmas 2024. Ang mga lokal na artisan, negosyo at mga organisasyong pang-komunidad ay walang pagod na nagtatrabaho upang palamutian ang lungsod ng mga maligaya na ilaw, palamuti at mga pagpapakita ng Pasko. Kabilang sa mga aktibidad para sa An Enchanting Baguio Christmas 2024 ay Baguio Country Club Christmas Village 2024 Alpine Holidays, Botanical Garden with the Faith, Hope, and Love, Grand Opening of the AEBC Christmas Market, Best Christmas Decorated Establishment. Then all Sundays of December will be the Holiday Promenade from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. December 1 naman, we have the lighting of the Christmas tree and SLU Lantern Parade. 4 p.m. yon. Dance competition, 1 p.m. yon. Portabaga Mall Annual Christmas Facade Lighting, 7 p.m. University of Baguio Christmas Cantata, PMA Silent Drill, PMA Parade of Toy Soldiers, Yes You Can Concert by the University of the Cordilleras, Anticipated Mass, Simbang Gabi, and an Enchanting Christmas Barangay Day Celebration. Barangay Choral Competition between ng Pasko Inter-Barangay Holiday Decor Contest Awarding and Enchanting Sports Day Extravaganza and Enchanting Christmas Gift Giving Celebration at Baguio New Year's Day Countdown. Rationale for Baguio Enchanting Christmas 2024. Objective: to position Baguio City as a premier Christmas destination in the Philippines, boosting local tourism and economy while fostering community spirit and cultural heritage. Key considerations: leveraging Baguio's unique charm, capitalize on the city's cool climate, picturesque landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. Highlight the city's distinctive Christmas traditions and celebrations. Number 2, stimulating economic growth. Attract domestic and international tourists during the off-peak season. Generate revenue for local businesses, particularly those in the tourism and hospitality sectors. Create employment opportunities for the local community. Number 3, enhancing community spirit. Foster a sense of unity and pride among Baguio residents through community-based activities and events. Promote cultural exchange and understanding. And number 4, promoting sustainable tourism. Encourage eco-friendly practices and responsible tourism. Support local artisans and producers. Expected outcomes: increased tourist arrivals during the Christmas season, higher occupancy rates in hotels and accommodations, boosted sales for local businesses, enhanced reputation of Baguio City as a Christmas destination. stronger sense of community and cultural pride. Target audience: domestic tourists seeking a unique and festive holiday experience. International tourists interested in cultural immersion and adventure tourism. Families and couples looking for a romantic getaway. By organizing a series of captivating events, stunning decorations, and engaging activities, Baguio Enchanting Christmas 2024 aims to create memorable experience for all visitors and locals alike, positioning the city as a must-visit destination during the holiday season.